Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set the time on your Invicta Pro Diver automatic watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website Vintageradarcom because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So guys, if you just bought or have an Invicta Pro Diver automatic watch, the first thing that you need to know is that on diver watches, so on this kind of watches, you have a screw down crown. So that means that you won't be able to pull the crown to the last position just like that in order to set the time. So what you need to do is to first unscrew the crown. So you need to rotate it anti-clockwise, so to the left, just like this, until the crown will pop out. Now in this position, you will be able to wind the watch. So if I rotate it clockwise, I will be able to wind the watch. Now in order to set the time, you need to pull the crown to the last position. Since we also have a date complication, it will be the second position. As you can see, we have a hacking, so that means that the seconds hand has stopped. And in this position, we can actually set the time. And I would suggest rotating the hands of the watch in a clockwise direction. After you have done so, you can push the crown, and in order to screw it back in, you need to push and rotate to the right, so clockwise at the same time. So push and rotate to the right until you cannot rotate it any longer. And that is how you set the time on your Invicta Pro Diver watch. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on the next one.